Wow, can we just take a moment? I mean, this beautiful golden blouse from LILYSILK, I feel like it goes so phenomenally well with this Royal Python Lady Dior. I mean, what? Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about the Lady Dior, because I know so many of us really love this beautiful bag, and my old Lady Dior size comparison videos, I think like over a year old now. That was my second ever video on YouTube, and I thought, hey, it's time to do a little updated version of that one, especially because we have a new addition, right, to my Lady Dior family. So I thought, let's do that. Also, I want to tell you that today's video is in collaboration with LILYSILK. Some of you might have already seen my previous video with LILYSILK, and they have such beautiful products. I mean, look at this blouse. Can we just see this? I'm gonna give you modeling shots later on as well and outfit ideas for the bag. So, you know, we're gonna get into this. LILYSILK, for anybody who doesn't know, they sell luxury silk products. Everything basically, from beautiful blouses to blazers that look like Balmain blazers, to pillowcases and bedding sets and everything, and the quality is absolutely amazing. Their products are made of mulberry silk, and mulberry silk is known to have like really great beauty benefits to skin and hair. I've been wearing my purple blouse very often. I took it to Dubai as well, so we're gonna see the purple blouse later on as well with this beautiful bag. But yeah, let's get into today's video. So, the Lady Dior. Most of you know that the Lady Dior is named after Lady Diana. It was previously known as the Chouchou bag, and then when it was gifted to Lady Diana, it got its name basically from that. So today we look into 3 different sizes. There are 5 different sizes. There were 6 ones. Okay guys, let me start somewhere. So this is the Large Lady Dior. And there was once a size up from this bag that was called the extra large, I think. And how you know what size you're basically getting if you're looking on the pre-loved market is this is the Large Lady Dior as well. Large Lady Diors have 7 ganache patterns in a row. So you basically have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, there was one size up from this once that actually had 9. So you would have an extra, let's say, 4 to 5 centimeter on each size. So it was pretty big. And that one has been discontinued. And now this one is the largest size. This is a really rare piece. This is the Lady Dior and the large size in the Royal Python. They don't make this bag in this size anymore in this style. However, you can still find Mini Lady Diors, which is this tiny little beauty in this style, basically with a gold python. I know I saw this bag once when I was like 15, and I was telling my mom in the KaDeWe in Berlin, oh my god, mama, I love this bag, and like, I think we asked for the price at the time, and like, we were just like, okay, I think it was like 10,000 euro or something like that. But yeah, it's even gone up to 11,800 at some point, I think, before it got discontinued. So of course, for a 15-year-old girl, that was an unachievable dream. And you know, so when I got into handbags and I did find this one in the pre-loved market, I was like, oh yes, it's mine now. And I got it for a really good price. And also what I did then, I said it several times before, but some people might have not known that, what I did is I sent it to the Dior Spa. And you can actually send your Lady Diors in. You don't need a proof of purchase or purchase history with Dior. You can just buy a pre-loved Dior bag, send it in, go to your local Dior boutique and, you know, send it in for repair. They then send it to Paris, they authenticate it, and if the bag is authentic, they do the repair works you wish for them to do, basically. So I got this bag reshaped because actually what happened was that the sides here were popping out a little bit. So, you know, it was not as structured. It did not look as nice as it does now. Then also what I did is oops, let me come a little bit closer. Also what I did is, look at this outfit, like the golden blouse and the golden Royal Python bag. I love it. So what I did is I replaced all the hardware because it was actually pretty scratched up. And as you can see now, this is my fingerprint here. As you can see now, it is absolutely perfect and it just looks like new. Also, what I did is I got a strap for it. So if you buy a bag and it doesn't come with its original strap, you can actually ask Dior to, you know, put an order in for you. Here we go. You can actually put an order in, and it did cost £150 to basically get the matching strap, which is of course great to know, because many people just keep the straps, of course, if they sell their bags. Okay, let's look at this one next. This is the Lady Dior in the medium size, and this is the classic black version that was gifted to Lady Diana. That is the classic Dior bag. So this one comes with the rich gold hardware. I don't know if you can see the difference. This one has light gold hardware, or some people call it champagne gold hardware as well. This one has rich gold hardware. They have actually discontinued rich gold hardware. So all the new Lady Dior bags that are coming out now, you won't find this rich gold anymore. Initially this was gold plated. This bag is from 1996. I think up to, was it Chanel that stopped making gold plated hardware in 2007, 2008? Or was it Dior? I can't remember now. But yeah, so this bag, I had the original hardware replaced as well because it was pretty scratched up. And then I, of course, got the gold metal because they don't make the gold plated one anymore. However, it is still pretty nice. It is the rich gold hardware. I absolutely love the look. I love the look of this vintage bag, you know. I mean, you can see it has lived a life before. The canage pattern here is deflated. However, I think it just adds to the beauty of this bag. And with this one, I actually got the handles replaced. Oh, for anybody who wonders, so the reshaping of a bag costs £300. If you want a strap, £150, and if you want to replace the hardware, it's usually £100. It once was 50, but it's now £100. So it is quite reasonable, because your bag looks like new again afterwards. This one already comes with feet. The ones from 1994 and some from 1995, they didn't come with feet yet. Okay, then let's move on to this tiny little cute baby. This is the Lady Dior Mini in Lotus Pearl, and I absolutely love this color. I never know if it shows up properly on screen, if you can see this beautiful iridescent shine. Bags from different years, from different seasons, even though it's all Lotus Pearl, they actually look different. So, you know, if you want to buy this bag and it doesn't look as shiny, just wait a season or two and they will bring out different variations of the bag again. So this one I bought new from the boutique, so I haven't had any repair work done to it yet. It is pretty cute. It comes with this beautiful chain strap, and this is more like an accessory to the bag. Sometimes most of the time I just wear it as a top handle bag, but I still attach the strap because it just looks like such a beautiful artwork. There we go. Yeah, so this is the beautiful strap that comes with it. If you buy a mini Lady Dior, what happens is you can actually choose to buy a normal leather strap or this beautiful chain strap. If you don't say anything, they usually give you the chain strap, but you can ask for normal leather strap as well. I mean, I don't know who would do that. I think anyone who has the option, right, would take this beautiful chain strap. It's more intricate, it's more feminine, it's more beautiful, but you know, you have the option. And then the newest addition to my Lady Dior family is, of course, and you guys know how much I love like purple and pink. This is lambskin. This here is lambskin 2. This is just really old. So in time, you know, even these ones will deflate and you will get this look, but that's gonna take like 20 plus years, so it's nothing you have to worry about. Okay, this is again a large Lady Dior in patent leather, and patent leather is, oh, I absolutely love patent leather simply because it's worry-free, you know, you can just take it out in the rain, you can easily clean it, there's nothing that can happen to it, it doesn't scratch. Let's move on to how we would style these bags. And yeah, I'm just gonna show you a couple more LILYSILK outfits. Yeah guys, so this is outfit number 1, and wow, can we just take a moment? I mean, this beautiful golden blouse from LILYSILK, I feel like it goes so phenomenally well with this Royal Python Lady Dior. I mean, what? I feel like this was made for each other. And yeah, so I think you can wear something like this just in an office setting. You can just wear it to a nice dinner out once lockdown is over. But yeah, it's stunning. Also, let me know if you have bought something from LILYSILK before, what your experiences are with them. And yeah, I'm very happy with this outfit. Yeah, okay guys, so here is outfit number 2. And I don't know why, I just love mixing the same colors at the moment. So, oh, this is actually a blouse from LILYSILK that I got for my last video that I worked with them. And, you know, I absolutely look at the color. I mean, they have such intense colors. It is incredible, and it goes so well with my Large Lady Dior in purple patent. I don't know. I think Dior and LILYSILK was made for each other. So yeah, definitely let me know what you think. This is again, I think, a great transition outfit. Yeah, guys, so this is outfit number 3 with my medium Lady Dior. And I know some of you might have seen this dress 1,000 times and you can't see it anymore, but I have to say, this is my absolutely all-time favorite dress. I absolutely love black lace dresses, and this thing is just, I don't know, I love it. I could wear it every day. I was, at the time when I got this, I was thinking about just getting another one to have, you know, an emergency dress in case something would ever happen to this one. Let me know if you do that too with your favorite clothes. So yeah, great outfit. I love it. Love this little bag. So there's one size down from this, the small size, that I don't have in my collection. And there's also a nano. Is it called nano or micro? No, I think nano. A Nano Lady Dior that's even tinier than the mini. But yeah, those ones I don't have in my collection. Yeah, guys, and then if you want something really, really special, you could go for a long LILYSILK dress like this. I'm blown away. I mean, look at this. Look at this shimmer. Look at this shine. Look how it falls, how the silk falls. It's, yeah, incredible. I'm in love. I think it goes phenomenally well with my Mini Lady Dior. And yeah, guys, I think that was everything for today. That was all the different outfits, the best for last. Okay, guys, so if you liked today's video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, join our little handbag obsessed family here, because we all do have the same luxury disease, as you can see. And yeah, guys, I see you again very, very soon. Bye!